My name is ئانیا ئیسماعیل. I'm from Sliemania Girls High School, and I was able to achieve first place globally in Owlypia Intellectual Challenge. Owlypia is an international competition held in all countries around the world where students can participate either online or local. I was able to achieve second place globally in the online rounds, and I was qualified to move into the final rounds. The final rounds or the global rounds are held in Cambridge, UK. I was able to see the wonderful city of Cambridge, and thankfully I got first place globally amongst 500 students who come from all different countries. My message to my fellow peers is that nothing can stop you from achieving the impossible. Things like where you come from and backgrounds are just excuses we use so that we don't take the adventure. You have to work hard, work smart, and get lucky. And trust me, you can achieve whatever you want in life. I would like to give a very special thanks to my dear parents for helping me in every single step of this journey. And I would like to thank my very lovely school and my teachers who could all help me achieve this amazing accomplishment.